had no drone in the past 20 years. Y'all really are droning out here, though. That's what I saw earlier. That is so awesome. I have had daydreams of droning like that. You tagged them, too. That's awesome.